Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get rich in Monopoly Go. No jailbreaker computer needed. So let me just open up the game and show you guys what's going on in my account. Are we broke? Are we rich? Let's find out, guys. So nothing happened. It doesn't work, I guess. So I'm going to go over to the shop. And yeah, I don't know if this really works, but oh my gosh, they're going up like crazy, guys. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do this and become super rich in Monopoly Go, guys. It actually works. So yeah, this is super insane. So as you can see, guys, my money is going up like crazy. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So what you want to do, guys, is go ahead and go over to this website, unlimitedrolls.com. So let me just type it in right here. It's unlimitedrolls.com. So it's a super cool website. So anyways, guys, once you're on this site, what you need to do, guys, is go ahead and choose how much money you want to send. So I like to go for the max, but you can read recent activity of people to give you some idea. So anyways, then we're going to go ahead and choose how much dice rolls we want to add, and now we have to enter our username and select our platform. So let me just go ahead and put in my username right here, as you guys can see. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and enter that. Okay, just fill this in. Then we're just going to go ahead and press proceed, and now it is going to load and ask us to do generate, and we're just going to wait for this to load. So if you got a decent internet connection, it shouldn't take that long, so let's just give it a second here for this to go ahead and load. All right, so anyways, guys, before we can be rich, we have to do a verification, which is really easy. So all you got to do, guys, is go ahead and press verify, and we just need to go ahead and download some apps. So let's open up Monopoly Go and see what happened. Are we broke? No, we can't be broke. No way. Oh my gosh, it's working, guys. So be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself. Get the word out about this method. I'm blown away. It actually works, guys, but it does. Super, super cool. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it. I'm going to see you guys in future videos. Super insane, bro. It actually works. So let's go ahead and get right into the video.